enemy share.
Ayiko.
Hey, Uninato, I walk back him Panama for it to no mammy. Coffee me and mammy a ding, now missing me betty a baby. Nana coming won't video and a cheat, yeah, missing me to the finest, or your wonders, so betty the corner copper pampers. Ready to with our clean and your free crown of a year sound check. La 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 la, until Simpa wants a la. Ready to no offense, being no so louder. I think it about it. Baby, hooray! I don't see them ready. The finest, open up, bring your dancing shoes. And I be a party all night long. Who is who? As I born Indian, come as I say, and I come in Perry. Hey, the finest. Yo, this is K-Ma, bro. Hype lyrics. The finest.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Alcoma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Ayiko.
Turn your lights down low.
The finest, Nana Kwame Perry.
And pull your window curtain. Oh, let your moon come shining into our life.
Ayiko.
Again.
71 and have Instagram Okuma 971 WhatsApp line so you're very active by into modern WhatsApp men so will be a BOD now what then there will be a person channel we na catch and say jay midweek what is happening what is popping bro 0551667755 and also your WhatsApp line 0551667755 WhatsApp here for your Virgin Bread Panama kind of the amount. No single messages will be left out. I will read every message. I will send it to Bremi Bia Studio Moha. Na me can decide the answer na me kwakwa G and Kratono. Ma me found Safari Eco Park located around the year Koforidiane Edukron Quantum Pono so Udu Honoma. Just when you saw catch it. Enya baby ani eko baby asam ro betimi atete wadwendwen so short betimi relax pa afa adwen then you give birth to a new business new lifestyle ni nyina no just would when you Safari Eco Park ehon na me no ka say there environment is very conducive for this thinking and also very conducive for planning. So what you say we will be saying na sika no cry me patch da fembo call center for one obomodi akopiem was Safari Eco Park. There's not about the kudi, it's about you giving birth to new things in life. So what you say now oko environment no cry be anniversaries mun kodi ho maybe your birthdays Charlie Chube ho and I say yeah you made be na person within our baby ekuta environment classy matese sambre o mahino kra golf tournament bi koso ewo ho ni nyina no Safari Eco Park and I make come for the amount say bomade afo ani echre ho frempeni was 05969143994 05969143994 Safari Eco Park bringing you closer to nature. Na Don Pablo Papa Penny for semi chana me kancho say we ye DNF DNA de se wono dofo mato abasako mu na makwaje mo fresh shakes ne gu ahodo bebre na o mo carrot de o eni nyina so nye flavored natural shakes na mo bomodin ayama dan o ye ba ku bi ma ye say friend passion. Yeah, I mean, no passion and everything about me has been passionate. It's for what I saw when you ventured on Pablo Papa or Mandela Junction. Over my other when it's a year. I like filling station in Chemu Pens one crab attack for Francois Samba. If it's about shakes, it's about chill drinks this afternoon. For your afternoon to be something else to talk about more than I saw when you ventured on Pablo Papa. It is going down large. Yeah, Don Pablo Pop. Number is 0552302607 and 05020082200. Don Pablo Pop. Ose Bomodian. Ebejo fresh shakes. He's on the you know what time is it? Yeah, lovely people like I told you earlier. I want to send me you 1 or 2 commercial breaks. We're not banged by people. Your radio is going to be set up once again with yours truly, Nana Kwame Perry. You can call me the Outfit Finest, the man, you know, catching me. Good afternoon, Ghana.
Hi, now let me share my wildlife experience with you at Safari Valley Eco Park. On our arrival, we were greeted by experienced tour guides who took us through an orientation on how best to enjoy the experience. We were surrounded by wildlife from the moment we entered the Eco Park. We saw zebras, sable antelopes, crown cranes, maras, silky chicken, emus, wallabies, deer, ponies, and so many animals. We watched the animals roam freely in their natural habitat undisturbed by our presence. Our tour guide told us so much about the wildlife, their behavior, and how to interact with them. I even fed them. We also went fishing. Then we took a break to have lunch in the beauty of the open space. All of this fun and activities for a starting price of 250 cedis, and it's free for children below 6 years. As the sun began to set, it was time to go back home, but not before our sunset dinner by the campfire. We've had a thrill of a lifetime, and I can't wait to visit again. Safari Valley Eco Park, bringing you closer to nature.
Tontonte.
Yenum nsane e fadwen.
Ne fadwen mpa. Say na nim say brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye ne simple. T74 abeye aduro.
Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esi nananom dodo so. Se de na dodo bua ma nananom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no.
Emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den.
Tontina 74 yi nso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ.
Samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74.
Se mennom tontina 74 amenya hoɔden mennom ne da bia.
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no. T74 ahoɔden ni apomuden ko a.
Woko pharmacy ana ba bia to nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to.
T74 yi enye ma oba a wafa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu.
Etu phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498. FDA agi adwadi nkratwe yi atom.
Take a sip and taste the flow. Life it be hard sometimes, but let it go.
Feel the flow for your patio. Bellas to get your feet on the floor. It's Bell Ice. We feel it burn. We feel it burn. Take a sip of Bell Ice. We feel it.
Jiwo Bell Ice Lemon, Pineapple, Orange, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer in one pop peppy. Na enjoy. Kaise, Bell Ice ewo PET plastic bottle mono ewo 8% alcohol and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer ewo can mono and also 18% alcohol. Nom nyansem wonton manipa wonni imfie duwatwe and sese apem for nom. FDA agidwedie nkrato yi atom. Bell Ice, Mephilia.
Another quality product from Bell Aqua.
Ayiko. Me mamu nyina ayiko. Me makana for ayiko. Ya from Nana Kwame Perry. Ubetimi afro me the finest and meme nyina ka echu ne me. Ayiko mre ye dwumadi ofufo bi kra eba wa kwam e wo koman 97.1 radio so efiti joda ekosi fiada. Pramoto pepepe me tira me day ekosi 2 pm. Ye de nkomo mre bebro. Apomudin sem afe ye bedigwa na fe ya kansem ekoso. Mo mudi o ma woda ene me nche na me no enka na feferfe e wo radio so. Kayo eye ayiko no agye me se ye ya from Nana Kwame Perry enemy share
Carry another, you know say I be complete man. Now your matter, it for my mind.
Esiane kaja yaseda. A refre woni pa ho.
Bro, Kojo, obey exams na we twa no yopo say. Na ifa na auto textbooks no efi.
Bini abia, the bay adusua fapim enyina ejina Runis Bookshop and Stationery so. Say open exercise books, textbooks, calculators, mathematical sets OB. Obaketu ensu ya enche obehye suku asi. Orokwa na ni wakwa akoto ni crayons, color pencil, sketchbook ana afin so no eye erasers na ede yafi Runis Bookshop and Stationery.
Enti me ba panyi owo secondary school nso no men den.
Insuro Runis Bookshop e books edema mofra efi nursery ekopim senior high school nyina ebi e wona aso yi obaketu enso wona nursery no eba ni crayons, color pencil, erasers and afi sharpeners oko Runis Bookshop and Stationery onsabeka.
Hey sir, na ifa na me hu Runis Bookshop and Stationery tra kwan.
Runis Bookshops and Stationery ewo Mamfia Kwapim police station no anim hope ana frɛ no ewo 0249 219 599 0249 219 599 ana 0243 946 483 0243 946 483 Runis Bookshop and Stationery ana wama humesia ayete money oh hey money
Hey, Flora Tissue, Cell Original. Flora Tissue, lead the way. Flora Tissue, if it's feel you go wipe, go wipe. We get the Flora joy, for your parties, engagements and weddings. Flora smile, for your office and meetings, for the market. Flora join, gigantic events and many things. Flora kids, and Flora Tissue, show me the way. Flora Tissue, if you sweat you
tissue. Sweat, spill, wipe. At phone free 0243 033 033.
Ghana man hiam puntuo okuape man hiam puntuo kanko ene nkoso se we betumi abemu a age okoman kasa entitie me ewu ebi ka kire kwesi apia apreku wo okoman kasa dwumedie so wo okoman 97.1 radio so efire adwoada kosi fiada anopa no nsia ene fa kosi no ndu.
Okuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doyetie for ye panesenti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bibiara ene nwumekwa woro se. Sa wo pese ye bo ne ma dero edema wa ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa ana sa wo yosofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra ana sa jingle hu sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa live ewo Okuman Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefreyen ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594 630059 ana 0246 246 875 Okuman Radio ana okriape mayano ayiko
Baby, come closer. The night is young and we got so much love to share. Oh yeah. We got started with a shower. You wash my body and I wash yours now. Ooh. Come on, touch me, squeeze me. I'ma get in the mood. Thrill me. It's so good, tease me, please me, treat me good, love it smooth, caress me, let the feeling boil over, rock me gentle, rock me gentle, rock me like a newborn child tonight, yeah. I wanna give you a brand new experience. To satisfy your wildest dream. Oh yeah. The way you're moving more makes me wanna give it to ya. You make me wanna scream. Oh, baby, come on. You move me, you groove me. Feels like never before. The way you tease me and please me. I'm gonna explode for sure. Set me free, touch me, smooch me, take me to where I wanna be, rock me gentle, yeah, come on, rock me gentle, yeah, rock me gentle, rock me gentle. Know how to please me through and through. Hold me close, don't ever let go. Only you know what my heart desires. Girl, you set my soul on fire.
Boy, relax your mind, leave your worries behind. Let me rub your skin, slow motion. I wanna whisper sweet things, oh, in your ears, baby. I'm gonna bring you to ecstasy till you can't take no more. Oh, tease you and please you.
I'm all yours, baby.
I'll thrill you and feel you.
Anything you want, girl.
I wanna touch you and groove you.
Don't ever set me free.
I'll treat you good.
Kwame Perry. The finest Nana Kwame Perry.
Someone who could turn my life around. Someone who could make me feel the way I used to feel. But she never does. I'm searching, but there's no one that I'd occur to talk about. And all the love that's in the world don't amount to much. What I really want is just one true love, and I'll give anything and everything to fall in love. Just this one time, I'd like to find what I've been dreaming of. Well, I could find someone to hold me, but that wouldn't be enough. I'll give anything to fall in love. I'd rather not be sleeping by myself, staring at the wall. I question it all. Will she ever come? Will she ever come? Will she ever come? And I'll give anything and everything to fall in love. Just this one time, I'd like to find what I've been dreaming of. Well, I could find someone to hold me, but that wouldn't be enough. I'll give anything to fall in love. I'm gonna keep on making wishes. I'm gonna keep on being strong. I will settle for less than true love I expect. I'll keep on holding on, and I'll give anything and everything to fall in love. Just this one time, I'd like to find what I've been dreaming of. Well, I could find someone to hold me, but that wouldn't be enough. I'd give anything to fall in love. And I'll give anything to fall in love. I'll give anything to fall in love. And I'll give anything to fall in love. I'll give anything to fall in love. I'll give anything. I'll give anything. I'll give anything. I'll give anything. I'll give anything to fall in love. Anything, yeah. Fall in love. I'll give anything to fall in love. I say anything to fall in love. I'll give anything to fall in love. Anything to fall in love.
Ayiko, Ayiko.
Ayiko.
Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, Virgin Money. Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, now what you know. Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, Virgin Money. Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, now what you know. Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, Virgin Money. Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, now what you know. Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, Virgin Money. Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, Madame Ravier, now what you know. Ayiko. Them Ravio, Acha. Them Ravio, Them Ravio, Acha. Uni Oya, Yara Wacha mi contento. I'll pray. Zumo mi trendra, Oni come. Oni come on and you. Now you need some way. It's a baby front on your way. I deal with him, sir. The man who's so fit, I'm a nation. I tell you, man, I'm a Ayiko. Mountain of a jungle, me me and me, mother. Open me a chirame. Open me a anyone girl. You want no Anna. You want no Anna. Oda beba. Mama. When me number one. Me man ya beba. When me number two. Oda beba. Mama. When me number one. Me number two. Me man ya beba. When me number one. Me number two.
Station with your man Kenya. Common Radio 97.1.
If I can say, don't worry. Me the talk for any man, I say me say, if I don't jire. Nana, but what baby I'm was it? Never young man, you know they worry. Don't worry. I'm one fan worry. Slow mama won't go worry. Your woman, or you're a one in a tear. Oh, hey, Mama Mika, Rosa Daba, Mama Madam. Pida Camano, a Chidia Yano, they are called Unami. Don't be Mudumbe. Where the Emma come on there? A Chidia Yano, they are called Unami. I try say, oh, you want some? Ya can't deny your don't go on. I see him call, I see you. Don't go out here. Nothing to talk back from my command. I think. I worry about. I can't over. Beat up. Only me one girl. The only one in Naroka. Not a betcha. Unami. Dumbe. Where the Emma come on there? I take it and you know. Unami. Dumbe. I come on there. I take it and you know.
Santi Abura
yo. Intisano yani ni kunindia ni danso. Sikaka zoni ni bedi seni sente me bi pia mo kona na me di paelino. Na me ni danso akani rabi yani sente me bi pia mo kona na me di paelino. Na me ni danso akani na ku. Apapaya boya ntibwasio. Jaina me se everywhere. One kind mwa obuo. Obuo so odanajo. Apapaya boya ntibwasio. Jaina me se everywhere. One kind mwa obuo. Obuo so odanajo. For man couldn't do a man and change on a beer. Guys, and in your ideas, I'm not you make a cruel. And then I know really about to feel I really be for bidishi yenye pabera wayalo utukwa ndani dansa ya japadia wa pesa ayiko kila pele benga report say see ya dishi asandro vyetu kwa nacho ayiko ni atulele into atuo susan seni ayiko bido la
Right about time. I've been saying very good, wonderful, good afternoon going out to you. Akosia Sana. Not forgetting Mommy joint. Jumaya for am wo nyina ne sambre customers are mu didi. As well as ogre. And to you. To I-64. That was a pep lunch. Good afternoon. To entire workers. Alright, Ebushim Russell says, me bomb what I do a poem with the bits in the bro. But me more the unfastened I can see him from my and Sunyami a choba. Namin Kasim de bingo assume. Media situation, maybe I walk. Gonna get you a desert. Media situation, I walk. Oh my God. Mina come in out tournament tomorrow. To be. Yeah, me daddy, my feel that no wapi. Hey, my brother MCKK, where you are? Bibia Boko, dear. Ewa monochrome, wanting a cry. Not forgetting that monochrome boys and girls area. Mom, good afternoon. I saw last month 1 month pon Abutechi right down to Obosomasi Tutu. Mama the uncle see I sure say for young koy nim. Yanko pediase koko drufo. Berekuso. Oyarfa Madina. Special eyes. Every minute benijre eye kofodu akwantem pon so a amam from right down to Krakan kwabo abo. Yero kofodu abetum. Shushen efidiase. Baby biara. Okrase fo so monye mutu e. Niembo wura sambre adoso. Mango ase. Keke fosi krom. Keke fosu ni krom. Mango ase. Na minchia manfe. Mampong. Obi biara. Latte Indian UKT and you barrier. Ewie bi. And to my very own Okugwa for Netedengo. Bamichi Okugwa Electra area for Abi, you know that follow who know road is a movement. Naminchi Edukron for I pray the abonsing. Not forgetting association. We are worse and soon me a choba. And I may no cassette trunina EDD. Media, dear, may say a dear beer, minimum chassis biano. I made him who Jimuno. Made him say a dear no a the pointing and made him who a Jim. Is answer Kwame me your own for. Ain't it da me shame one corner? Me shame manjo I may dream me home. Na and soon me a chassis. Like joke, so many years in it. Any taste and that flavor no sunny at Tenosanity is the same document in Sakurona. Obi one more do need to do go doom pempen so be nefe wadane boss kina not that them or that them no more instructions. And your workers no so pam bi na biba na ne usuan baako mienu mi ensape ohwe na o te wapamu. Enti da aduano no be kono na taste ni different. But enso nyame ye choba wo hu. Esa ne se nani wo na adwuma ho do na adwuma nti. Tie se ne akwa me do radio yi. Da wo be kono no akasa hyemuka na se. Enkwan no osore be se 2 am. No wachechew ne ma ye chechew sasa na fi wa yonkwan ye wie. Ahoro bebre. Enji enso nyame ye bia udidi aduane ni taste ni se ne ye te ne sa na tie nsesada. Enji abusia udidi nso ane wadidi good enye bibia ene edi aduane ni nyina nso me no kasa edadin fufu kukunta mutu live soup with all kinds of meat, fish, palm soup, peanut soup, mecha groundnut soup, and ebunu oh echicha. We me no kasa kwa hwesa ni ankrofo abomode ya che o asun torum. Eridi fufu. Etwa kontom ahodro medawasio so we so mu awudi a wan frɛ me but koso adidi wo bedidi nso adidi wansu nyame ye wo manfe apostolic asori dan na chiripe one way ne so from 0242017553 0242017553 and su nyame ye choba ozi jidi good na feel good. Whether no, ye be a scoop, I'm a crowd through what to do. And run me a calculation being a machine, I'll call them. Yeah, market you no my dear. I some more come. It would your my best at 10 and you are 70 ain't minka. Medium, you no cram here calculation, whichever be a man now. I'm yeah. Match me are fine. Ebia na me no kasei. When you to a goon, some more whooper baby, I'll bet me in your shabo loan be now the akutu and colani fees at home stationaries and I say books. Tobo. Maybe more the easiest way to free yourself from all this stress. Make come for quick credit and investment microcredit limited at the amount. Sawo pe bosia na wode aye ahye dwumade bi ase ana wo pe bosia bi na wode atete wo hot bi so ana wo pe sika bi na wakatua ba wode akosi anan ana salary loans asem na me ne okay say bi adwuma no pese o sha say wo business ideas about how to invest into it and other no problem capital no cry a problem kase ma Jumadi no sani atibia na ebosia bonko na me no ka ho asem wa ha de en ye wuni how. It is going to be as easy as ABCD. Ni hia ne so be fa telephone wo hu na hwehwe Ghana card no. For number C 030 22003990 03022003990 and 0596 920833 0596 920833 me pacho watch road the end mu apia for mu akudonto ma hene wa bomade afro na ka chom se kwa me se mu chiche sika enti me pe me chefa wudam ehia Ghana card quick credit and investment microcredit limited us lending makes simple. The technical producer, your friend, a weather no. I wish you any woman is a weather no. So, Musa, na me bisa questions. I call any so time when you be any. It has a hot pressure no funny news. I heard no call him about studio. Issue, yeah. Mammy fan call a chill out and E3 and pop. Chill out E3 and pop. Weather no. A place you order sorted Kodi. Warriors here. Me na make asano. Me. Your very finest. This is good you ho. I wish you ever fried rice with chicken, jollof rice, plain rice with gravy, plain rice with the vegetables too, assorted fried rice, assorted jollof French fries with chicken, bamboo with great tilapia, bamboo with okra stew, bamboo with goat or tilapia light soup, granule soup, rice balls with granule soup, fufu with goat or dry fish tilapia light soup, fufu with granule soup, yam plantain with a contemporary stew ningano. Chill out E3 and Papa said, but my dear baby, away bank managers, police for, fire service for, immigration for. Mrs. Tsunami will be a year Juma or a year immigration and Mewarano. How much uniform more for? I'm immigration officers are more crewing in a mom. Good afternoon. Nani woman say, so who paid Granny Papa Eddie? Na ebase otu wani a uhu baby odi wani bechere town ayehye baby eda fam low but we did good I feel good and one chill out eatery empire Abuja Continental and local dishes say dear himo power ho just holla and now from was 0554039939 05540399939 and 053498992227 0534989227 mobile so 0534989227 chill out eatery empire say bomodian now the place order say we event be grana peketro betimi apopo nensa no abo nkwan anwennuane ahodo ama o customers anase somebody wo crofo waton sa from ahohoi o ma feel be shepa dia eno an chill out eatery and pub eno na make am for the am we say mom ko no mko didi abusia we assure we are very sure so we know what is happening to Ghana right now. Mami Momodiama o mampeni eye kufuo ene MPP amayoko ne Ghana man nyina isa ne say ye first lady eno kasa idie wada ne sa benkum so eye Obapa Teresa kufuo enti Ghana nyina temdin kakra na onze me nana ka asem yose abam no te dada nso te na empem bebre nkofo hwese ne ya ye mampani na pomudin te ya ene no hokafo my beautiful Teresa Kufo but all the same no you're trending issues in town so ba penny abomodin adan nsa binkum so wo ye ma bushia te me fadue. But the biggest thing happening to Ghana right now is Superb Lunch, Equiapim, and Ghana and beyond. Talking about the entertainment hub, talking about the party center, the official party center, and one a Superb Lunch. Walker Superb Lunch, I'll see a crow day, any day, any hour. If you want your enjoyment to be fully fulfilled, nobody else will do any better a Superb Lunch. Omo Krabatani wa Koko Mrimri Funny Fast Street Top Radio in Chemupe on Sabeka a Superb Lunch wo if you want to be PM we crap pim we ye cropon so and a crapima we cropon a crapim one a year major farmers in a bon training. I wish our weekend just got better with a lot of MCs, wild hype men, as well as bad DJs as well behind the timetable, show drinks and what have you. Ninja Sabekebi, there was Superb Lunch. Kayo, when we talking about the official party center, then talk of Superb Lunch. Superb Lunch, the official party center, almost for reservation, and also ticketing for any information. Wait to me at 0544665797 0544665797 Superb Lunch Ghana. I say your official party center. We also for now person preachy, and as a BB a yen kaibo, and I person your general announcement marketing, and as a wood you made ye be now person be find the life about radio so a year Juma go be now person a year commercials and our jingle at the mano. Bomodia so better to home after 020-299-3475 and at 050-888-9198 and at 0246-246875. The patro watch roddy a simple command numbers in the name and upper a real number bejo so near a BBF for Eddie Amon. It's just about 44 after A1 but me de a wapomodin. It be the net amount. And then me no ka prekese ho asem. Na prekese no. What's it the word Petra? Na che say prekese asem. Na prekese ni woman say. a unique plant be a me no kase so we obi a wote di prekese pa wo manage diabetes wa kro yan so you obi a fever no cold eta aba ho so papun etiridi kakra bi na behwe wo nipedua na ene eta di prekese afi wo pese wo nipedua no wo muduru no esote kakra is also reduces weight as well. Udi prekesa ene udi mukura and if you want hypertension also hypertension also ja a best treatment therapy obetumi use prekeso obomodia e di frafre nuane prekesa ne gramatisi yetimi nua krampo nom ne sa ba ne woman say if you want to manage diabetes fever and I say cold eba se unipedua no fe se unipedua ne mu ayedu edu pese wo so tekakra hypertension ni nyina no hia prekese no egu ahodo bebre meka se egu ahodo a kwan be fa so a obe use no ebi de ye nnuane ebi de ye niema bebre enti prekese nenne ede ma wo se hypertension how na diabetes and also pese wo body weight na so te ana fever ana cold na hawa Bomadi also be used prekese. Na we are no more spiritually, no. A spiritual word, Ramotini maybe as some say prekese so a very major role to play in our spiritual life too as well. Enti na wapomudin ensem no. Eha na me de besi. Right about time I make us a happy birthday kese pa. Enkomon. Ye from Mr. Jude Akodadi. AKA Ohineba Kwame Aku. Edukro mi kwapem na wo. Me no kasa nso yo church ni. Ewo eye okwapeman senior high school. Enne wa woda sonko. Wuni mo bi enne odi na woda just text me or WhatsApp me on 0554166775 0554166775 and I go Facebook or no your common radio 97.1. Yeah, be Jimbre. Na ya kind of Eddie Amo send you sefata. All right, the people's choice in so bro, but stay tuned for this. Ayuko.
Ayuko.
they won't back grandma they all day my feel. My dear, I see my feet. I did that in the woman chain. My dear, I did that. I did that in the woman chain. My dear, I did that. That woman chain. My dear, I did that. I did that woman chain.
See, I want to make a josso, or send me power, make me cash po, what to my come friend, my cocoa, Munche for me, patch on my control. So, because I'm turning up a pan and so, a pocket, she be a bit of my kuma, won't make me through as a mini cake in the close school, we senior tsunami, who you cool. Minuna Boko, she have to be a too. Me take body, your cuts the rice and stew. With me, Benjamin, dear chef, I'm a say a brand new from Pro V to shoe. One of goodness, that to be with me at last in the mirror, you me cool, wow, too. Down in the shower, town I'm free, uptown, bad downtown, to be bad for me, you don't want some correct town. Nina, I said, now, yeah, me, you don't want pounds. Mini cross and I'm a connection, I bounce. Me say, man suspect people say, now what you give me, hey, and granny back can't quit, me chill won't come here. But prep my pan and rassy food, you don't quench your wusso. Me duff on them, my duff, what done in my time for my yes and food. But me come and you want match my danny mumu. KK, so see, I'm in my danny, was your fool. What say me do? I repeat, KK, me take party. Yeah, cause the rice and stew. You ready? For me, Bonnie, tell me why. There is CBM ready, why?
Adi wa ye wie so se bi nsi bi o.
Tell me why. The bin CBM ready, why? Minim ni e ma me fa why?
All right, it's just about 54 after 1. 6 more minutes to say bye bye to you on a big afternoon show. Your friend Aiko with yours truly Nana Kwame Perry waiting your friend with the finest. The show that comes your way 12 midday to 2 p.m. Monday to Friday.
Drobiana was in the permanent. Tonton, Omudin say who no fagene. Come the wabre fi ne bedi umami. Wanna do berry asamono.
Hey me.
Sweet mother ya wasante. Me da was.
All right, let's look at the birthday celebrants today. And then we call Ghana Abako Semwa. Famous popular people and no mudi on my water. Let me start with Imoro Lukman, a footballer, me no say there now a ball a ball at the ma is writing my friend Happel Peta. I don't know sports for no Lukman Imoro. You won exactly 4th day in the month of October 1984. You Ghana ni. I mean no say Israel for no Israel on no born home pa. Not forgetting our very own Albert Ajimai. Also no Beka 1996 they could see 2000. Now Utu America at the Ghana. You won exactly a year October 4th 1977. And you won Albert Ajimai. So these are the two people and then I want you to if today happen to be your birthday. So happy birthday Kasiepa once again going out to my good brother and my senior brother as well, Mr. Jude Akudadi. Mr. Jude Akudadi. Ewo Kapamai Senior High School from the Brothers Association. Kapamai Brothers Association. Myself and my lovely girls Trustina, Rabinette Imperi, and Trishalin Imperi. We say happy birthday going out to you, uncle, a brother like no other. Alright, this one says, hey, Nana Kwame, we enjoying the show, more fire. And from my good man, also Nana, in fact, you are in charge. We love your show. Keep it up. From Elvis. Obviously, in fact, you're a blast. You have something else to talk about when it comes to radio. Yes, we define it. That is why I'm the finest. Anyway, your friend and I call me. Pray with me, our friend with the finest. And men, you know, catch you and keep your messages coming. Hopefully, we have a day tomorrow, same time, top midday to 2 p.m. on the biggest radio station in the heart of the capital. We call ourselves Okuma Radio. Yasha hiti, and your Kasamu Kapama. So that can say, and come me able producer, Mr. Kuku Boateng, supporting me large, or executive producer. What that no? And the Quita Technical department. Not forgetting Gideon too, and also Korea Juma to the entire staff holding me down. I say thank you so much. To God be the glory. This is how I draw my curtains down. Want to make you are the people's choice in you, Terminator.